Okay, so here's how this program should work. When you click the green flag, all the food should show up. Your fish should be swimming around following your mouse. When he gets to the food, his mouth should open. Now be careful, you don't want it to be like when his tail hits the food that he eats it. You want it to be when his mouth hits the food. So to do that, you have to use a when color touching color tile. So let me show you what that is, just to be sure you guys know what it is. So it's under control, you'll do if, and then if color touching color. That's under sensing. You definitely want to get your fish back up there. Let me somehow get this to stop. Fishy, fishy, fishy. And when you do this, you want to click on the color and get it right there on the color of his mouth and make sure it's the blue color. You might have to try it a couple of times. It's really hard to get it in there for the blue color of his mouth. There you go. And then do the color of, let's say you picked a different color of the food. That'll work a little better. Okay, good luck.